Welcome everyone, welcome. How is everybody doing? Back to the New York session we are. And let's see what's happening. Still approaching yesterday's high at 18,063. There were some possible scenarios here in this current New York hill zone that presented some opportunities to go long. But yeah, anyway, looking for these highs, but if it turns down, then we're definitely looking for these lows. I like the low at 18,000. It's definitely looking good. I do love it. So if this one's a failure here, then I'm sure hoping that we'll see a nice short opportunity. Okay. Well, it's 10 points away from making a new high from yesterday. So anything can happen. Comics is about to open. Comics, sorry. And what was the high here? The high of this candle was 63.25, right? So that's the high. 63.25. Actually, let me update this here as well. It's not 75, it's 25. What's the number on the mini? Let's check it on the mini. The high is 75. Anyway, we're gonna go with 25, you know, just to make sure. Anyway, let's see what it wants. It's not far, actually. Just a few points. And what about ES? Oh yeah, ES is definitely looking for some new buy side at 51.85. Could be good. If the order blocks that we were talking about in the London session would work out, well, you know, this could be some nice longs on NQ, especially this one's here. Getting closer to that 83 level. Yeah, it's let me see, the low was 83.75. That could be a target. But if not, as I said, we have beautiful targets on the downside. Not sure what kind of news we have. We have all right, Swiss National Bank chairman is gonna be speaking. We have the comics open. Amado, hey there. Maybe can we sweep the 080, 0100 before going down? Could be. Could be. I like the order blocks on the 15-minute up there. Thanks for joining, by the way. So, yeah, could be. I like to see those levels, as you see up there. I marked it myself. If not, and we go out to the 5-minute, I love this low here. This here definitely has the potential as a draw on liquidity. So if the big sell-off could continue, if it breaks structure here, then why not? It's not even going to be a big sell-off. It's like very close. It's 56 points is nothing for Nasdaq. It's absolutely nothing for Nasdaq. It's not a big deal. So, since the beginning of the kill zone, which was here, not much has happened. There was one possible short opportunity there. I don't know. Just a second. Okay, look at that. We're going up there. So let me measure. What did we miss? What did I miss? There was one entry here. Enter at 40, 44, minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 2. Minus 10. Yeah, seems like it could have worked out. Minus 10, nothing there. 46. Yeah, some good opportunities. Crypto Panda, good morning. And good morning, Mario. I was just measuring what opportunities could have we had in the previous, I mean, since 7 a.m. It's not bad. I only use most likely exponential moving average, but it's not mandatory, but I like to use it. Now, this is the 9 and the 21. The 9 and the 21 EMA. This is just SMI, Stochastic Momentum Index. I don't care about this too much. I really don't care. It's just a supplement. Yeah, it's just a supplement. It's not critical entering the trade, just to see what it looks like. But otherwise, only EMA, sometimes not even EMA. That's all. And I know you guys like to use the VWAP very much. I don't really use it, but I see it. This is the VWAP right here. And this is the 200 EMA on this chart. I don't trade it. I see it as possible targets or support or resistance levels. That's all. But it's not part of my entry model. Okay. Okay, broke through yesterday's high. We have the targets on those order blocks. 83 should be the low-hanging fruit. Futures are about to open. So some volume should be kicking in. Hello now, hello again. Should be seeing some volume. Let's see the low of the order block is 83.75. 83.75. 83.75 is the low of the order block. I'm gonna draw it here too. All right. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, of course I know. So those are the order block levels. Let's see what the futures open will bring us. Pretty much bullish since the non-existing London session. I mean, look at this. There was a little bit of a sweep here. Then it was just grinding all the way up. If you look at the 5-minute, I do like these lows at 18,000. This is just perfect. Perfect lows. No wicks to the downside. Well, maybe just a tiny one tick. Let me check it here. Oh, the mini is a little bit different. I still like it. I still like it on the mini. So who knows? Maybe we can see a reversal. I don't trade Viva, but I do respect it. It carries a lot. Yes, exactly the same with me. I'm not trading the Viva, but I respect it. If price gets to it or gets near, I do acknowledge that many traders are, or institutions even, not just retail, taking positions or profits, whatever, around the weave up. Okay. Pretty much nothing extra. What's the difference of NQ and MNQ on Quant Tower? The difference? Well, not much. Basically the same as on TradingView. So, I mean, the price is exactly the same on TradingView for MNQ and NQ. So the same goes for Quant Tower or any other institutions, since this is regulated, not like Forex. So I see the same price. But if you ask me, I like to see Quant Tower on the low time frames because TradingView is lagging. So I'm not really into trading through TradingView because it's definitely lagging, especially when it comes to market orders. And if you put the, let it be Quant Tower or NinjaTrader, TradeAway, whatever, you put the 1 minute chart next to TradingView 1 minute chart, you will see that TradingView actually lags sometimes a complete second behind. So That counts a lot, especially when you're trading. Clarity, good morning. Yeah, it might be sells are coming in, but I do like the order block still at 83. Futures opened. Well, a little bit of a pullback. You're inside of a five-minute small little fair value gap. So low-hanging fruit is at 83. I would not go short here for now, but of course it's a perfect setup to go short. So if you guys want to. Not until we don't see the 83.75 at least. Might even take a scalp, who knows, on this account. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Still waiting. See that? It might be changing structure. The problem is that I wanted to see it change structural down here in this area. All right. Whatever. Shorts are not ready. Yeah, I want to see that 83 being taken out. Uh, 0.85 or 3, I think. 83.75 is the low of the 15-minute order block. The wick, that is. And the body of the order block starts at 91.75 from April 15. I do like that target, but so far nothing. Okay. 133, nice wick. Yeah, I do have it marked buy side 131.25. So far, still waiting. Waiting for a miracle. On the 15-minute, yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. On micro, it's 31.25. Could be taking it full, hopefully. I don't know. It seems like it's not ready to go short yet. Might want to push it. Might want to push into the order block. But one thing I do like, if you look at the 5-minute chart, I love this swing low down there. It looks something very juicy. Equal lows, flat bottom there. Something to be taken. From the London session at 18,000. So this is a very juicy target. 18,000, relative equal lows. You know, from the London session, it's nice. I do love that target down there. If this would start to be a sell-off. Okay, as expected, it's still pushing. Should be going for 83, I think. I'm also tempted to jump in, but who knows? Who knows? Yeah, look at that. Look at that push. Wow. Okay. I put a limit there, but it doesn't really want to go. Ah. I'm just gonna delete that. Hard to say what it wants to do. Still doesn't change the fact that that I like this area. Resistance level, let me check. Hold on. Yeah, so 74, right? Looking for that order block level at 83.75. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it wants to go there or just shift down again. But if it does, it would be interesting to see it. As I said, I do like that level at 18,000 on the 5-minute. So I'm gonna wait for now. No, I'm not. I was reading a text message. I'm just waiting, actually. Wanted to see some action here pushing to that 83, but nothing is really happening. Actually, it's going down. So it could be sweeping some more liquidity on the downside. Have to be prepared for that. But don't forget, we still have order blocks up there. This one could be a liquidity sweep. But it has to go a little bit below. Waiting for a short setup. Black Beauty Machine, hey there. How London was? I just came. London was good. I mean, it was slow, but price was behaving like it should. So it was okay. It was actually okay. I missed some opportunities, not for long. I mean, for 5 points here, 8 points there, but still, it was good opportunity. Possible opportunities. Okay, we should be seeing a liquidity sweep here right now. And if this one is not breaking lower, then I still like the upside at 83. If it breaks, then hopefully, well, we'll get down to 18,000. If the narrative is changing. I like these levels at 37 as well. Just to sweep this down there. If it goes down, ES is leaving nice equal high. Yeah. In a quick short scalp, nice one. Well, maybe you're sitting in a few points there, right? Hopefully. Don't forget it, guys. There's a giveaway going on. So if you have not filled the form already, do so, because there's gonna be a giveaway soon. Okay. A little bit of liquidity swept here. Pushing back up there again. Let's see if it wants to take it or not. But we might be just hovering here until the open. TP at 47, if it can get there. 47. Yeah, it's a good area. Good area there. Almost open a quick long. I'd like to go long too. I still like the 83, but seems like it just wants to break lower. If you go to the 5-minute chart, and let me delete these levels here. And if you look at the candles from 3:55 and 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this London morning, I do like that level. I can imagine that if price wants to reverse from here, it's not stopping until there. It's a healthy, like right now it's 60 point, but even if you can get in down here, it's a healthy 40-50 points down into this area. I like it very much for a short. But we need a clean displacement. Clean displacement. Strong move. So far, it's trying to push this, and more or less luck. Do I have any orders open? I don't. Okay. Stop loss at 65. Yeah, I see. Okay. Hopefully it will be protected by this gap, by this wick. For now, if we go above 64, 65, oh well, nobody knows. We're in no man's land. Maybe in 10 minutes the new hourly candle will show something. I don't expect too much from the market open, but I don't know. My first TP is at 65. You're fading now there. I'm guessing you guys are just trying to scalp a little bit. Be careful though. Be careful. Let's see what is going on. All right. So some sales are still going on if you guys want to get some good futures accounts. BULENOX has a lifetime subscription for 83%, Apex 80% down, and my funded futures, I would strongly say you should try the expert, 5% down if you use my link and code, and activation fees included. If you are skilled, then you can go with the expert, pass it under 30 days. Including the activation fee, it's still cheaper than other ones. Here in the UK is bank holiday. That's why I was shitty. Yeah, I mean, the London session, actually, to be honest, I saw much worse London sessions when the London market was open. I mean, this was actually quite all right. So we had a move from, for example, here. Where was it? Just a second. Just a second. Quickie phone call with the market makers, you know. All right. Methodical man, hey! What's happening? How's it going? What are you guys texting here? Tom, I just sent you a DM. All right, I'm gonna check it out real quick. What the hell is this? What? What? Crypto Panda, I have to put this out here. This is what Crypto Panda sent. Is this art? You know what? What I could do with this is I could put it to the wall as a picture or something. Nobody would know what the hell this is. Honestly, Crypto Panda, I like this one. I see you were really into trading. 15-minute chart, you were just slashing all the way. You know what? I definitely love Crypto Panda. I love this. You know what I'm gonna do? I am actually going to put this out to the. I'm gonna actually print this one out. You think I'm joking, but I'm actually not joking. I like that. I like that. $100 if you want it. All right. Oh, hold on. Quickie. Quadruple equal lows. Quadruple equal lows at 18K. Yeah, I was talking about the 18K. Look at this. I do like this low at 18,000. It seems like that it's losing steam up there. Yeah, please change the background. You can change it to white, please. If you can do it with white and send it over, I might put it to a frame. I might put it to a frame and put it out somewhere. I'm not even joking, man. I'm not even joking. I think this is art. This is art here. And I wish somebody, you know, some of my friends would see it and ask me, what the hell is that? And I would say them, you will never understand. You would never ever understand what this here represents. This here, CryptoPanda, represents actually the whole trading with prop firms and everything. I would call this trading. Please make one, please, CryptoPanda, with white background, because I can do some. But the text should be black then. I don't know. Anyway. That would be awesome. It's called stress. There you go. It's gonna be called stress. That's what it's gonna. CryptoPanda, please. I'm begging. If you're not doing it, it's fine. If you can't do it, sorry. I'm gonna frame this. Actually, I'm going to frame this, and this week I'm going to show you in the stream that I framed it. I'm gonna put it somewhere. Actually, this is art. This is actually art. This is art. Yes, these are orders. These are all orders. Buy, sell orders. Every 15-minute candle, almost every 15-minute candle, CryptoPanda was killing the market here. Boom, 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 boom. From 8 a.m. until almost like the PM session. Look at this. Wow. This is actually art. I'm not even joking. That is really cool. I like that. I really like it. The market was killing you. I'm gonna frame it. Definitely stressed. That's what we're gonna call stress. I'm going to frame this one. I'm gonna frame it. Man. I like that. I like that. It's cool. How's it going, Methodical Man? How was your weekend? Hey, Toll Trader. Another Jackson Pollock again. It was good. Nice. It was all right. It was okay. I have a sore throat a little bit, but it's fine. And I'm stressful. No, I'm not. But I really want to succeed with these PA accounts. So not just the PA, every funded account I have. I really want to get to a payout finally. Puts me into a little bit of a frustration, to be honest. My wife and little son are ill. Also the same. Yeah, I have sore throat. I mean, I'm having this since Friday. Can't seem to get out of this. Fortunately, I didn't have fever, but I don't feel so energized, to be honest. I feel a little bit tired. Couldn't really sleep, but that's fine. I went to a mall and saw something that reminded me of you. I made a nice comment. You will have to watch the vlog to see once I. All right. All right. All right, man. Awesome. Man, I know I said it last time too, but actually I missed some fun in the joint streams. We should do it. Man. But no joint stream without me, you know, sending away at least 1 or 2 evaluation accounts full port. That's the joy of the joint stream as an extra. To send away at least 1 or 2 evaluation accounts. I'm considering doing 12-hour. Oh, nice. Hey, that would be awesome if I could jump in there. I would be jumping into your stream. How about that? And I'm going to buy a few, 1 or 2 at least, evaluation accounts. Some Apex. Maybe BULENOX. Send away at least 2 or 3 accounts. Full port. Are there gonna be some news on Friday? we might. What's gonna be on Friday? Hold on. Oh, come on. What is on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? There are some news, not too much. Maybe at market open. All right. And Peter, I don't trade your instruments. Toll trader, you trade NAS 100, right? Or yeah, or wait a second. What are you trading? You said it. I forgot. Oh man. You trade CFDs and you trade stocks maybe? Oh man, I forgot. I'm kind of in a limit for accounts right now. Gotta get some payouts before I load more. Yeah, I feel that. Mostly gold and forex. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Well, right now, I do want to also, because I activated 2 more accounts over the weekend, and without taking payouts, paying the activation fees and the eval fees, where, you know, guys, I'm doing this full time, and, you know, that's a few $100 for me. That's money. So, if you guys want to support, just use my codes. You know? I need to get to a payout level by the end of next month. That's the goal. I need to take at least 1 payout from at least one funded account by the end of next month. That's a goal. So that's about $1,000, and I don't even think that's a impossible thing to do. I have a BULENOX account that's already up $400 something. So I need to make about $3,200 in 2 months. Less than 2 months actually. So maybe it's doable. Maybe. Just cashed the $17 gold trade. Nice. Yeah, sure. So I need to aim for those payouts. Out of short, 8 your stop loss. Oh, don't worry, new opportunities are on the horizon all the time. That's why trading is awesome. So I forgot to say that the London session was actually better, but better as London was closed than on the days when London is open. Price action was more predictable, and it was actually moving more than 30-40 points, when other days in London session were not moving even 20 points on Nasdaq. Now this would be a possible long. A reason why I'm not taking it, because we're getting closer to market open. This would be a bit of a gamble, but you know. If this one could go all the way up to, like, I don't know, the 80s, that would be fun. Otherwise, not really. Just chopping around here. Chop, 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 chop city. Hey Tom, I blew 2 my account I bought for 50, but if I want to reset them, it's 100. I'm missing something, or that was just 1 month deal? Oh wow. It's not resetting. I mean, hold on, let me think. Maybe I think the half price reset or the free reset was only for last month, but if you blown it, you can still keep the subscription because it's going to be reset by the next rebill. So it's going to rebill at 50. I think we sweep that 18K level quickly. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Tactical man, I agree. That 18,000 level is just screaming. Especially if you look at the 5-minute chart. I love this level. Look at this. All this pushing higher, taking some liquidity, getting low on steam. ES is tired. Lots of juicy targets down there. I love the 18,000 level. I do love it. If I can, I'll try to catch the move. If I can. Yeah. So yeah, CryptoPan, just keep the subscription. It's going to rebuild at 50 and it's going to be resetting. I bought like, I don't even know. I bought 4 50K starters. I'm already almost blown one. But I keep the subscription. I'll try to. And also the activation fee stays $50. So if you pass it in 6 months, whenever, the activation fee is $50 for the 50K account. Whenever you pass. Don't forget it, guys. I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow or Wednesday. I don't even know when it ends. Fill out the form. It's in the pinned message up there. And participate in the giveaway, boys and girls. What is cool? He has just hit 5-minute order block. Really? Oh, this one. They are holding 57.50 level with their heart. You think so? With their heart. Where is my sound effect? Oh, here it is. Hey, Dionyson. How you doing? Good to see you. How's it going, guys? And by the way, if you guys are here, please push that like button for me. Please help out the stream by pushing it to the moon. It's free to do. Just push that like, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel. I just checked over the weekend. We're getting close to 2,000 subscribers. How awesome. I'm so happy. You know, it was not too long ago, a few months ago, last year in November, I was around 500, 600, I don't even know, a few hundred subscribers. And I'm super happy for everyone. You know where I am, Tom? Viox. I know you told this before. Oh, I don't. Please help me out. Viox, please. I'm sorry. You're in Europe, right? Please tell me you're in Europe somewhere. Slovenia? Slovakia? I don't know, man. My memory is like... I don't even want to say how bad my memory is. I'm in a road. Nice, Viox. Congratulations. On the road of success. That deserves an applause, actually. For everyone. Nice. Thank you, Viox. Thank you for the support. I'm still listening to the Starship Enterprise ambient background noise. Helps me to chill out, you know. This is it. So cool. Listen to it. It's so calm. We're on the bridge of the Starship Enterprise. All right. Hey, I just searched the other week that there is washing machine sounds for 10 hours that you can put in on YouTube, and I could sleep all day for that. Just saying. This is the way. Total Trader 80. I love that show. This is the way. I mean, I don't know all the spin-offs of the Star Wars universe because there's so many things, but The Mandalorian, man, I think I haven't even seen the last season, so but the first season of The Mandalorian, I mean, you know, when Luke Skywalker came in at the end of the first season to take Baby Yoda, and you know that background music, the orchestra, you know, and everything, and when he took off the mask or the helmet, sorry, when he took off the helmet, and everybody, his face was exposed to everybody, that moment was so emotional for me that it almost put tears in my eyes, you know. And I mean, the whole series, it was awesome. I loved The Mandalorian. It was cool. I think Pedro Pascal is definitely the right choice here. Otherwise, I'm not deeply into the series or the universe, but I loved it. I think the problem with the Star Wars universe and with Disney is that I think they're going to over push it like happened with the Marvel universe. It's going to be over pushed and nobody is really going to watch it after some time. That's the problem. Maybe a chop until US Open, yeah. Mando or Grogu are killers, yeah. I'm getting chills when he takes off the helmet. I'm still getting goosebumps, you know, when I think about the scene. And you know, Luke Skywalker, you know, walks in and takes him away in the lift or whatever. I mean, that few minutes, I mean, I'm still, wow. One X-Wing, great. Yeah. And you ask, is this really gonna happen? And they made it happen. I read that Mark Hamill was actually in person at the filming when they filmed that scene. Although I don't know if he participated in the scene itself with anything. Of course, I guess he did do the voice or something, I don't know, but he was there when they were filming the actual scene with the double, with the body double, and but it still gives me the chills. Oh yeah. They had to take his mimicry, yeah. Although there's not much because, you know, Luke Skywalker, especially when he's a more experienced and mature Jedi, he doesn't really have any face expressions, you know. He just looks like a poker face, like, all right, yeah, I'm a Jedi. Yeah, cool. Force be with you, whatever. So, but still, it was a great one. It was a great scene. As you said, it still gives me the chills when I think about that. Especially that specific moment when when Mendo takes the helmet off. And now, someone who is not into Star Wars universe and not really admiring this, don't really understands that the character itself, how hard could that be for him, for the character to expose himself to everyone. You know, I think that's it's a great sacrifice. Anyway. And the end of the first episode when Mondo reveals Grogu. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Oh yeah. Man, they really nailed that series. I didn't see the last series, so don't spoiler or anything, but I didn't see the last one. Not that I'm not interested. There was so much thing going on in my life in the past few months and year that I said, all right, I'm just gonna wait for a few series to come together and I will watch it in one. Tom gives me that vibe of Michael Keaton on Need for Speed. Ah, there you go. There you go. You know what, Amadeo? I loved Michael Keaton in that role. The movie itself is, you know, is for people who really into cars and it's kind of like for the video game as well, but for cars. But Michael Keaton for the role there at the lighthouse, you know, that I think is something people liked, and I liked it. I think it's definitely the best person for that role was Michael Keaton. Definitely, it was his role. No, not Batman. Batman is good. I mean, forever my Batman will be Michael Keaton. Anybody can say anything. Christian Bale is awesome. He did a superb job with Batman Begins and the rest. Christian Bale is awesome, but for me, forever, my Batman will be Michael Keaton. Forever, you know. Not Val Kilmer, not George Clooney, whatever. Let's just leave those. My Batman will always be Michael Keaton. Always and forever. I was a little bit disappointed in the Flash movie, how they showed Bruce Wayne's character again in that parallel universe. I was expecting a little bit more mystery, a little bit more serious things going on around that Michael Keaton's Bruce Wayne, but anyway. Yeah. For me, Michael Keaton will always be Batman. Hats off to Christian Bale and for the whole trilogy they did, and to Christopher Nolan. It was awesome. Heath Ledger, my God, what a Joker! I mean, the Joker, the character, everything was awesome. All the actors in the trilogy with Christian Bale, it was one of a kind, really good. But in my childhood, you know, Michael Keaton was my hero. Still waiting for the market open, guys. That's why we're talking about movies. What could we do? Not much, right? Waiting for something to happen. Okay, guys, let's see what's going on. Less than 9 minutes to go. Olisa, hey there, welcome, welcome you too. Waiting for this market open. The sun is actually going, I mean, it's starting to disturb me because here's west to the left of me. I have huge windows here, so I do have to pull down the shaders. I'll be right back in a minute. I have to do something about, there's too much sunlight right now. Just a minute. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'm back. Okay, what can we expect? Well, again, I'd like to see the 18,000. That would be awesome. But still, we have at least one order block up there at 83. So, if market opens, I would not be surprised with a spike all the way up to 83, maybe 91. But then, no idea. ES pushing higher to an order block high up to 85, I think could be a target. So let's see what happens. How much time do we have? 5 minutes. And counting. Okay. Seems like a market structure shift here. Right before the open. Let's see. What can we expect? Are we gonna go down? Man, I really wish to see that level. Really, that 18,000 just struck me right now. Love the level down there. Both on the 5-minute and the 15-minute too. Okay. Less than 3 minutes. Actually, 2 minutes now. All right. Let's watch for these levels. We do have 83 still as an order block. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute until all hell breaks loose. Still looks like a push towards the 83. Interesting, to be honest. Very, very interesting. Might take it before the open. Yeah, looks like it. Actually, this was a good entry. All right, market is opening right now. Market is open for business. Repricing lower. Made a new high for the day. I think. Yeah. Okay, pushing lower a little bit. Kind of like a market structure shift that's happening. Not doing anything. This was interesting. Look at that. Okay, market structure shift happened up there. What's the real direction? I would ask here. Is this one to go down? For a brief second, it looked like. But then it didn't. What is ES doing? ES still holding that area. Hovering here, not sure what it wants to do. Does it want to push higher? or continue lower. I like the lows at 36 on the 15-minute. Otherwise, well, repricing higher to 60 maybe. Yeah, there you go. No, almost. One spike should be enough. Would be interesting to see the drop to to 18,000, but I don't know. If this one starts to go high again, then anything can happen, right? I mean, then it has to break the 36 at least on the downside, if that's the target. Or it's gonna shift here and go for the 83s, if that's the goal, but we don't know. I'm watching it closely. Are we gonna have a shift? Maybe going back up to the range. ES might start to push. Okay, repricing a little bit higher. No shift yet, but this was a bearish move earlier, so I don't know. I don't know what to think, but 83 is still in the crosshairs. No, not yet. I mean, what was the level? Was it 83? I think it was. 83, 25 or 75, maybe 25. To get into that order block. Still watching it. Can't really decide what to do. We have that order block still up there, but I don't know if it wants to break in that level. It's definitely close, but you know, is it gonna push? Maybe everybody wanted to go short, which we don't know. Look at this. Now it's going into that area. Do I have any orders? I'm flat. Okay. So now it's going there. But yeah, nothing. The 5-minute candle, yeah, breaking into that order block, that's for sure. What is gonna happen? Okay, so we went into the order block, just like we were talking about. And look at this long wick candle, yes. Went down, fooled everyone. ES also breaking higher to 85 as a buy side. How far can we go? That's a very good question. We can go a lot from here. 97. What are the targets higher? We have 132. Huh. Interesting. Watching it closely, it looks like it swept some levels right here. Okay. Not much is happening. Just waiting, guys. No clear shift. I still love the levels down there on the 5-minute. I do like the 18,000. And I do like the low of this 5-minute candle. Wouldn't be surprised if we would go below that, to be honest. Okay. These levels have been taken, so all we can do now is wait. The 15-minute candle shows a huge doji candle. Huge indecision in the market, so yeah, I could see this go down. Any moment, actually. Why not? A little bit curious what ES is doing. Still not at 85 yet. The 85 level is actually just a 1 hour fair value gap with an order block, which is still good. So are we going to continue higher or not? Feels like we will. Feels like we will continue. If it's shifting 91, then up to 131 we go to the high of the order block. Let's see what happens. Just a second. I'm gonna check something. I'll be right back in a minute. Sorry. Don't worry, I'm back. We're pushing, look at that. Want to get to that 31 level, which is the top of the order block, I think. 31.25. 31.25. But no entry here. So gotta be patient, as usual. Those open candles were like 10, 20 points each. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Not much is happening. There's a swing point at 71, 42, some good levels down there. I wonder what the ES wants to do. It's breaking these new highs right now. $31, $31.25 is the high of the order block, and there's fair value gap at 37. So don't forget it. You can still go there. We have no other news. Only FOMC member, but yeah, for later. Could be still going. Okay. Maybe it tries to make a new high above the 100. And then try to push again. There you go. Made the new push. ES, what is ES doing? Also trying to make it. I'm not jumping into a trade, although I do like the 31 up there as the high of the order block, but I'm a little bit confused. Okay, still pushing. Looks like a shift. I'm not sure. Repricing this gap right now at 92. Repriced it. Now it's taking off from 92. Small gap here on the 30-second chart. I'm not in a trade, still waiting. But looks like it might want that final push. I'm gonna wait here, not do anything. And see if it wants to reverse. ES is stuck there. Might want to go for that 31. Might want to do it, but you know. Well, I'm gonna wait it out. So I can't really do anything with this for now. Consolidation. Somebody pulled the plug. Somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq. What can we do? What can we do? Oh man. This price action is just you just have to wait. ES failed to go, but I think it could go. Push once more. We are below 100 here on Nasdaq. Yeah, super slowed down. Gold is in action. Wow. I'm just gonna. Well, on the 5 minute, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. It's going upside down. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with Nasdaq, but feels like it might want to push once more. If ES wants to do it, everything depending on ES. ES wants to go for that 85, then Nasdaq will push it. It will push it. But if Nasdaq is gonna push it, then should be seeing 131. As a possible target, because at 37 there is a fair value gap too. So one might be asking, is this a market structure shift? It's not. This is not a swing position here. So the push is nice, but it's still not a shift higher. Very slow. Well, this is gonna be the waiting game. 7-2 down there. Here. So here comes the silver bullet hour in about less than 30 seconds. This is a small shift here in structure. Is it going to be enough? All right. Oh no. Guess what? My neighbor is cutting the grass again. What does that mean? It's super loud. Man, my neighbor is super loud right now. Hold on a second, guys. I want to check something. He's cutting the grass again. You bought a drone? Learn how to fly. Made my profit for the day. Yeah, nice one, nice one. Well, you should be enjoying the day off then, you know. You should be enjoying the day off. That's what you should do. Oh, you learned to do that now. Nice one. Oh, yeah, yeah. You want to sit here. No, don't lose the profits, man. I mean, if I were you, I would go with the drone. I'm just watching this closely. All right, ES broke these highs here. So maybe we can expect Nasdaq to, you know, pull a little bit down, but it would be a little bit interesting to predict that, but I'm just waiting maybe for a reversal. I'm watching the 5-minute chart as well. Still like the 18,000, but now, sorry, this is NQ, and this is the level that I'm still watching down there at 18,000. I'd like to see this one drop from here. Next buy side target is at 131, is the high of the 15-minute order block, which we are in right now. So get prepared. I'm here. I'm actually waiting for a potential reversal. Maybe it's gonna happen soon, maybe not, but ES made a new high, so not much to do. Somehow I feel like the sell side could be a good target here, but I'm gonna wait. Could this be shifting? I'm not sure, but if we see a clear shift, I might going to target some lows. So far we're holding this level. Okay, there's a small shift. Silver bullet time. Yeah. I know, TJ. Silver bullet time. But even though silver bullet here and there, we still have to decide the draw on liquidity. There is a nice sell side at 72 right down there. Next one, 42. But no clean structure shift. This is not a clean structure shift for me, although it has a small fair value gap. This is the 30-second time frame. I'd like to see another shift, maybe right at this area. So I needed to close way below 86.75 to target the 72, but nothing is happening so far. So it's the waiting game for sure. Again. Tom, I just bought another account and guess what code? Thank you. Oh, at My Funded Futures. Oh, thank you so much, Fresh Delgado. Listen, you deserve an applause. Thank you for supporting the stream. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome. And I wish you good luck with the account, you know. All the best, all the good. Guys, it's hard to say, but might want to push once more. What is ES doing? ES has the 5200 up there. May want to push above there. If that's the case, then we might want to push above the 31. There is a fair value gap at 37. That could be interesting too. Waiting. It's the waiting game. No direction, guys. If I look at the 5-minute chart, it's technically a barcode chart. Up and down. Maybe we're shifting down again. I don't know. If we do, I don't want to say anything. Let's see what the market does first. No, not a clear shift, guys. Not a clear shift. Feels like ES want to push higher. Look at the 5-minute chart on NQ. Absolute trash. So I'm still favoring that 18,000 down there. Or we have, what do we have? We have the 42 again. But without any clear direction, I mean, changing direction. There's nothing to do. Now this one could be interesting. This one could be something. But still have to wait. No. Not a clean shift. Not a clean shift. I'm not jumping in, I'm not chasing it. Not chasing it. It's just, for me, this is just a pullback. It's not a market structure shift. The wicks don't matter to me. Only the body, well, yeah. How far are we from this swing? 72. It's 10 points. It's not undoable. Not undoable. 89. 72. 90. 72. 90. What is happening? I don't know. Okay, repricing higher. I highly doubt that this is a strong down move yet, but definitely not a clean structure shift. Just a liquidity sweep on the 15-minute chart. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it just actually sweat liquidity to continue higher. So, not really interest to me. Maybe now. Maybe we can take out the 41. Just maybe. Hold on a second. All right, just a quick phone call. No structure shift. Actually, it shifted lower. So I mean, I wanted to shift it lower, but it didn't. This could be an area where it would, if it would close above here, there you go, then maybe we could target those highs at 31. Maybe. But we need that displacement. And it's not happening. It's just not happening right now. Not yet, at least. The 5-minute chart looks terrible on NQ. So far, the silver bullet hour is a big pile of cat poop, you know, packaged into dog poop, and vice versa, as I used to say. Nothing. Nothing. I like the levels down there. Still at 18,000. We have some very good 5-minute levels. Intraday targets for this day. But you know, there is just nothing that I like in this price action right now. This one could be a possible shift, but it's still not. Small fair value gap forming right here. Not really enough to take a short yet, maybe on the next one, because we're still in the midpoint of this area. Almost no news, yeah. No news. USD could be a slow week. I don't know. I was expecting a little bit more after the New York Open, to be honest. Fresh Delgado, and I don't know. I don't know what to say. If we look at the 5-minute, this is the 5-minute on TradingView. It's so terrible. I mean, okay, we had some action at the open, but since then, that's it. Nothing. We are consolidating and we don't know where to go from here. Let me delete this down here and here and here as well. So nothing. The weave up is down there. Not that I really care, but man, nothing that I like. If we would shift lower right here, I would take that as a confirmation that it could turn bearish. Don't know what to do with ES. It is what it is. No clear direction. I wish I could tell otherwise. Now, this could be a shift, but if it closes back up there, then it's no use. Yeah, it's nothing. Consolidation. That's what this is. If I enter a trade, I will let you know, everyone. But for now, nothing really. By the way, guys, if you would like to support the channel, TOPSTEP has an offer for a 50K account. Now it's only $19, I think. So if you click on the link and purchase it after that, that would also support the channel. Thank you, thank you. $19 for a 50K account. So yeah, TOPSTEP X. Yeah. Tom, do you tell us what trades you take? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna tell you guys, but I'm not in any trade, Fresh Delgado. I'm not in any trade right now. I'm flat. Actually, here's my order book. I'm not in any trade. But I'm gonna tell you guys, if I'm entering a trade, I promise I will let you know, even if it's just a scalp. Yeah, TOPSTEP X is live now. It's great, I think, that they're doing this. Although my personal issue with TOPSTEP X is I cannot copy trade between multiple accounts with multiple prop firms. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys know if I see anything. So far, this price action is definitely one of the worst. Maybe we'll see something as we are approaching to the lunch hour, hopefully. Nothing until then, I guess. I'm not sure. Guys, nothing. No shift. What about ES? Let's look at ES. Almost the same. I'm gonna zoom out the 5-minute chart as well. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Nothing is moving, guys. This is just so slow. These are the kind of days that actually chops up everyone. Guys, I wish I could tell you something. Maybe we can target the order block high at 31. If we consider this as a bullish flag, then maybe. It's kind of a structure shift here, but I don't like it. Too many wicks. My neighbor is cutting the grass again. That's awesome. Small fair value gap here at 102. We're trading above the 100. I don't know if this is going to be enough for here. Not sure. ES could be pushing to 5200. I want to see some clean moves. For example, this one I like better. This move is something I like better. I'll still have to wait. Okay, repricing the whole range. So not important. A little bit bullish here on the 30-second. Might be taking the stairs. Should be going higher a little bit. Please to reprice the whole range on the 30-second. Let's check what's above here. I'm not in a trade, just so you guys know. On the 15-minute chart, we have another liquidity level at 36.75. So that's at 36.75. Don't know. Not sure. Looks like it just wants to be. I don't know. Could be. What time for that? What is it gonna be? I'm not even sure. Hard to tell. Going down again. The thing is, I just don't have an entry. The more I'm watching it, the more I know I don't have anything on this one right now. I'm still gonna wait. Don't get me wrong. Gonna wait patiently. Some good targets down there. I do like those targets. Okay, what just happened? Small structure shift, which is good. I do like that. I'm eyeballing for a trade. A possible entry. All right, enter to a short. A little bit early maybe. But I still entered. My entry is 90.75. Why is it not showing? Oh yeah, because I took it on a different account. That's why. That's why. And I wonder if it's gonna go even further down to take some lows. Not sure. So I'm in a short. A little bit of a difficult position to be in for me, because I still wanted to wait for some more confirmation, but my position is at 90.75. So not a good entry. Not a good entry, but I'm gonna go with this. It's Nasdaq. It's Nasdaq micro. Micro Nasdaq. I think it's still think it could be going up there to the 31s. Don't really like it. I thought that after repricing this small area, it can be dropping lower to take out. Where's the low? The low is 79.50. Anyway, So, not the best position. Not the best position. I'm just copy trading it with 1 micro between some accounts, so I'm actually only risking like a little bit. Here's my order book, as you see. So my entry is on average at 90.75. Entry based on the 30-second, but I do like that this could go a little bit more bearish, who knows. For now, yes, still, well, it wants to climb up higher, but no entry right now for me. Man, it goes higher. What a crazy action. It's unfortunate, but I think it's going to take me out. I'm still in the trade. Stop is at 0475, but I think it's going to take me out with a wick. What an action today. Wasn't really the thing I was expecting, but what can we do? $81,100 is so far holding, but I don't know. The order consolidating, it's not even launched yet. Yes, that is why I think it was a bad idea from me to jump in. I mean, small risk, but still, I thought that we can go for some crumbs here, but no, it's not doing it. It's just not doing it. Yes, I'm out. Stop hit. Nothing I can do. It is what it is, guys and gals. But hey, we tried. We fought with honor. That's all we can do right now. So if this one wants to go higher, it might want to reprice a little bit higher as well. Might go for that higher order blocks, maybe. Don't know. We have order blocks up there. Maybe not too much. We have. Let's see what it wants to do. Does it want to spike higher here? Maybe shift higher. Why would you short? Well, it was a structure shift here on the 32nd. That's why I thought that, you know, could be a not too bad idea to go short on this recent displacement. And there were some good levels down there. Actually, this could be a displacement as well. Look at this. You see, I mean, if this goes lower, hold on, let me check something. If this goes lower, it can actually reprice these levels down there. But as for now, it's just consolidating. I'm looking the 5-minute on my other screen, by the way. And I'm seeing what's happening. But, you know, I wanted a breakout. That's what my aim was. A breakout from this down leg to take out the low here at 79. That's what I was trying to aim for. It can still go down, I guess, so it has the chance. But we're consolidating. So let's wait. I know the 5-minute looks terrible. It does look terrible. Looks a little bit bullish. And it's almost getting to the end of the silver bullet hour. What is gonna happen here? Could be the best example not to trade today, right? I mean, for those days when you don't take a trade. Market is actually turned off. It has been turned off officially. Almost 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Do I have any orders? Nothing, okay. So let's wait a little bit more. Small tiny shift here, not that significant on the 30-second. ES consolidating. Definitely not the ideal conditions to trade. No volume. It's like watching paint dry, right? It's definitely like watching paint dry. Small shift here. I do like it. I would like to take it. That could be a fake one. So be careful, everybody. Could be repricing. I might try a short limit order here. Maybe there. You have a shift. Small structure shift here in this gap. So I get filled, okay. I might try to take a small trade on this. If not, then you know, then nothing. Nothing special. $80, $25, maybe I'm gonna modify it to $25 just to see if it can take out that swing low or not. Just for that. So yeah, this is it for now. Are we gonna get that level or not? I'm wondering. Almost got it. Look at that. Spiked down a little bit. Not too much. But did spike down. Alright. At least this one got taken. I did like this trade. It wasn't that bad. Should be doing more trades like this. But with higher risk, at least. Just a small scalp trade, nothing special. But it's not really dropping, you know. Actually, this trade I did like. If you guys haven't pushed the like button, please push the like. Help out the stream with pushing a like. It's free to do. Also, subscribe to the giveaway. It's gonna be awesome. And if you would like to trade futures and support the channel, please use my codes and links. I have linked to Take Profit Trader and Trade Day 2. If you guys are interested to trade with them, no activation fee right now on both of those prop firms. And there's an activation link. Let me check my orders. Yeah, all right, I have nothing open. So go check him out. What is happening? Yes, might want to push higher. This was a nice trade. I liked it. I liked this trade. Low volume. This is not a clean shift. So I'm not considering it as a shift. So TOPSTEP X has officially launched. If you guys want to try it out, it's $19. So if you would like to support the stream, just click on the link before purchasing it and go for $19. I'm not really going to use TOPSTEP X because I already have every account I need, and unfortunately I can't copy trade it, but it's still a good price until the 13th of May, next Monday. I'm sticking with Apex and my fund is futures and everything else. Really. All right, let's see, what do we have? US 30 dropped hard. Do I have it here? So Dow Jones. It's dropping. Interesting. I don't know why NQ and ES is holding this much, but I guess it's have to do something about the order blocks. Look at this. Now it's going down again. Maybe now it's reacting to that drop. Not sure. Is there some news? What is FX Juice saying? Oh, nothing extra. Would be nice to go short here, but I don't know. Repricing these levels. Not sure what to think. Looks like a possible opportunity for the shorts here in this area. I mean, 88, 99, 88, 70, yeah. Could be a good target as a continuation down. What if they want to sell it? Dow Jones definitely dropped quite a bit. So I'm watching this. The problem is that it just crossed here, so it's not clean yet. I'd like to see one more shift downwards. I would really like to see that. US is gone. US 30. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. I don't know. Some news might have hit the market, or somebody started to talk early. Nothing out there in the open yet about any major news, or it must be delayed. Or it could be just a correction. But so far, NQ is holding as well. Just like this gap here. On the 5-minute, it's hard to decide where this market wants to go. Looks like a bullish flag on the 5-minute, but not sure. Not sure about it anymore. Holiday in London today, so yeah, market is quite maybe New York session. That's why it's all happening. But is it really? I mean, this how big of an impact it has on the New York session, or maybe it's just because we don't have any news drivers. We have some good targets on those highs up there, but really, I don't know. Not much is happening, if you ask me. I mean, I agree. London could be having this impact, I guess. This is typically a session where everybody can get chopped up real easy. We're still below 18,100. There was multiple attempts, like once at 1046, then 1101, and right now to shift lower. So definitely some sellers are trying to push it lower, but the buyers are holding this area very much, and it just feels like they might want to push it to that 31. How about that? Would be interesting to see that happening. Hi, Hotshot FX. Yeah, $19 at TOPSTEP, guys. At TOPSTEP X, if you choose TOPSTEP X, that's $19. If you click on my link, go for it. But yeah, it's a good deal, actually. So $19 for a 50K account, although it's on TOPSTEP X, which is, I guess it's a good platform. Never used it before, but it's based on trading views, so I don't know. You guys will tell. This looks some kind of a bullish move, right? Look at this. It's kind of bullish here. Or not. Shifting lower might be. Excellent platform. Best platform? Nice. Yeah, I mean, guys, if you like it, go for it, I say. It's a good price value, and if you're not copy trading between multiple prop firms, then you have definitely no disadvantages there. I'm just, you know, trying to figure out what is happening on this price action. I mean, I'm focusing on the chart. I'm not into anything, so I'm still just trying to figure out what is going on. Are we gonna go lower or what the hell? Don't know. But hey, looks like we could be shifting higher. Could be. Look at this. Let's wait for the candle close. Not a clean shift. At least not for me. So it might try to go for that 130. I don't know. Finally as a shift. Upton accounts only. It's chop day. A chop day. Yeah, it is definitely a chop day. I was trying to measure some market structure shift. Had a short scalp here. Now I just don't know. UK, Japan holiday, good trades are over. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow New York session is gonna be a little bit better, but right now it's chop city. Don't know what to do. Definitely chop city, guys. 5 minute also shows nothing. We have the high of the order block still at 31, which is not too far. But if you look at the 5 minute, not Nothing that we like. Check out the dawn. Okay. Ooh, look at that. It's dropping. What is happening? And why does NQ not reacting to it? I mean, I know they're not paired, but still, this kind of drop should be interesting for NQ and ES. I don't know. Look at the Dow. Wow. I would say it's tanking right now. Interesting. But no entry right now, guys. Absolutely no entry. Neither of these places. Actually, the Nasdaq is still trying to climb a little bit, but if the bulls are gonna lose steam, that Moses, hello. Yeah, I had a short trade here, a scalp, just for a few points, and since then there's still no direction. Again, we're just waiting. Nothing clean. Pretty much a waiting session, as usual. So it's very hard. I mean, if I look at the 5-minute, it's good morning. This is a 30-second chart, but I look at the 5-minute. Sorry, I look at the 5-minute. I look at the 15 as well, the 1 hour for possible targets. But so far, I mean, this is one of the burst kind of sessions that anyone can have. Consolidation. No real targets, no real price movements. Just have to wait, maybe see. And that's it. Not much we can do. No clean direction. If it's having such a hard time up here, it could be going down all the way to the 45s. Why not, you know? I would like to see that, but I don't think it's gonna go. If anything, maybe it's just gonna squeeze one more because it's pretty much a bullish flag. But I wish I could tell anything about this, but so far this is one of the worst price action to have. One of the worst. So, no trades. This is the waiting game. Hey, supply zone. Hi. How's it going? Like a name. I trade mainly options, but want to get into futures. Up 600. Nice. 600 is very good. It's very good for the day, especially. How's it going, supply zone? Any good trades? How you doing? Guys, by the way, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and subscribe to the giveaway. You know, it's in the pinned message. Fill out the form and email. We're gonna do a pick tomorrow or Wednesday maybe. Winner gets a 50k valuation account, so go check it out, and we're gonna do the giveaway next time as well. All right, don't miss it. Don't miss it for the world. I'm telling you guys, really, I mean, waiting out today is too choppy. Yeah, it's too choppy for me too. I'm watching on my other screen the 5-minute chart. So not just this one that you guys see. I'm watching the 5 and the 15-minute to see if anything is going on. But you know, this is like one of the worst. One of the worst. That you can trade. I mean, some volume can be kicking in later, maybe in the lunch hour, we don't know, or in the PM session, but so far the AM session is pretty much crappy. It's going to be one of those days where as soon as we log off the... Oh yeah, supply... Yeah, absolutely, I agree, supply zone. Absolutely. That is exactly what's going to happen. As soon as we close the charts, the market is going to, you know, it's going to break loose. Yeah. Now, look at that. Not a clean break, but so far it's going higher a bit. Who knows for how far? It's pushing. Maybe we're gonna go for that 31 after all. Who knows? Look at this. Shifted higher here. Could be. You know. Look at this. Look at this. How about that 31 level, baby? Are we gonna go or not? If not, that's okay too. We just need to know what the hell is gonna happen. Small structure shift here. Possible entry in this area. I'm still hesitating. Can it go for a new high? Maybe it can. What is ES doing? Is ES shifting higher? Not really. Hard to tell. I like trading news, but just not high impact news. So that yeah, exactly, same. Look at this. What the hell is it doing right now? Reprice this lower area here, which is nice. Not bad at all. I just want to know why it did that. Is it because it wants to go higher? Or is this just a fake out? High of the candle. Today's high was 16.75. Not sure what it wants to do. Yeah, 100 contracts for FOMC would be, that would be changing our life. That's for sure. No idea what's it doing. ES might want to push for 5200. We don't know. Give me a minute, guys. I have to go out and use the bathroom and drink something. I'll be right back. Push the like button and don't go anywhere. I'm back. As the Terminator would say. Otherwise, I have no idea what price action is doing right now. One of the worst sessions. Do I have any orders? No, I don't. All right. So. All right. What is going on? Hey Prasad, what's going on? How's it going? I'm still just waiting for setups, guys. Okay, so if I would have taken this trade, I should be in profit by now, right? Oh man, nothing is really moving. I'm okay. I'm fine. Scalping a little bit here on evaluations, but waiting for setups, which are not really happening right now. Waiting for a push on Nasdaq above the 31 area, which is an order block, and then we have fair value gap at 37, but nothing really. On the 5-minute, look at this, pretty much a chopped up session. So it is what it is. What can we say? I mean, if everybody survived this by taking trades, that's good, because it's pretty much chopped up. We have a movement now, but nothing special. Nothing special. Oh my god, the sun is shining. I might have to pull down the shaders. All right, it's better. Guys, I wish I could tell something, but nothing is going on. Guys, I'm not sure I want to participate in this chop anymore. I'm sitting here since almost 4 hours. I'm not really interested to see this price action. I took a little bit of scalp on evals and that's it. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you would like to support, use my codes and links. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow, London session. Hopefully we will have some more action during tomorrow, New York and London. But actually the London session was better than this New York session. Maybe the PM session will do something, but I'm not gonna waste my time. Good luck with everyone, with the trades, but for me this is all I could take. So hopefully you guys will have some better trades. I don't know, I'm just tired of sitting here. I mean, waiting for nothing. Guys, thank you again, love you all. Use the code, subscribe to the giveaway, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in the London session. All right, so everybody, cheers, see you tomorrow.